to introduce you to Nicolette Mayer in case you don't know her, a designer and a fabulous artist with a great collection. We're just going to have a conversation about all her new pieces. So welcome to High Point Market.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ellen.
So talk with me about what you're doing new, because there's so many fun new things here.
There's so much new. As you may know, we started our collection with wallpapers and fabrics, which are nationally distributed through Scalmandre. And so we love that in all of the showrooms. But a few years ago, we realized that tabletop has been a very sleepy category, and we wanted to make it exciting and fun and fresh. And especially during the pandemic, people got to really know their homes and really love being at home and entertaining in small groups. And so as we come out of the pandemic, there's so much that's fun and exciting in the collection. So for example, in addition to our tabletop, we've gone into acrylic art. And the acrylic art is just beautifully made, easy to ship. It comes with all of the hardware, so it's really easy. All you need is a drill and
it's beautiful.
And it's an amazing piece. And we do those in triptychs, diptychs, 36 by 36, etc.
Great way to add a pop of color without doing the wallpaper, which is so popular. But
exactly, or to layer it, exactly. And then we came out with these trays, which
I love these.
Substantial and heavy, and they're just wonderful on the table, in bars, kitchens, and
look at how fun these designs are. Sorry, it's not just beauty, but look at that. That is
so fun. This is the edgier side of life. We are known really for pretty.
These are made in the USA. Let's talk about
Everything's made in the USA with the exception of our crystal.
We'll talk about that in a second, but I just want to talk about the fact that placemats are also making a comeback in a new way. These are printed and made in Florida. Everything's made in our own factory. They're easy care, indoor, outdoor, and they're so much fun. And look at all the beautiful colors. So if you have something like feathers and you want feathers, but look at all the colors that you're able to bring to your table and layer that with beautiful tableware. So the animal prints and the contemporary pieces, and again, then going into the more traditional pieces. And then I want to say, I saw these and loved them.
Oh, aren't they fun?
How fun to have a coaster that looks woven, indoor, outdoor, as you said. Love them. I love these things too for these vanity trays. What do you call these?
These are vanity trays, and they're super fun to go next to your bed for the older people like us to be able to have your medications and your phone charging and so forth. These are fantastic with all kinds of gorgeous
going back to your roots with your fabrics.
Exactly, and the cocktail napkins, and so, you know, they go right in there just like in our placemats, and they're really fun, lots of color, and you know, they're not the sort of stodgy, beautiful embroidered things. You know.
Okay, or your pills. Is that what that is? What I said. I love how Nicolette is edgy, traditional, contemporary. So you bring a great design aesthetic. So in addition to what we have already seen this market, you are also introducing your crystal collection.
Yes, the crystal collection is made in Europe, and it is just extraordinary. It is
wow.
24 karat gold, all handmade crystal, and
but wait, if you need to feel this texture. You had told me originally it's like sand. It just feels good in the hand, and then
super good.
Just want to say the having that martini, that would just be perfect. Two different textures on the lips. Love it.
And what's so lovely is lipstick will also not adhere. They're easy, even on the white, easy to be able to not worry. And they're just so gorgeously made.
These are chargers?
These are chargers, 24 karat gold. They come in lots of colors, and they just sit so beautifully and have almost a telescoping effect. And the gold just enhances everything. It doesn't matter which of the colors that you use. They're just absolutely beautiful.
I love what you have done. I love the inspiration and fun you are bringing to home. You have new glassware in all sorts of different shapes and sizes, and I love it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining me. This is Nicolette
Ellen.
Mayer from Nicolette Mayer Designs and Collections.
Collections, yes.
Nicolette Mayer Collections,
Thank you so
and
much.
fabulous looks.
Thank you.